It's the end of the day at KICVentures. We're in Boston. I'm in the lobby here at our investment firm, KICVentures. No one's at the front desk right now. I want to show you something here on this wall, over 40 of my patents. I'm going to head to my office for you to have a conversation with me about success and how do you get your desire to succeed, right? You have to find a way to maintain your desire to succeed, and that is very difficult to do for a lot of us. For a lot of people, that's tough to do. So what's your strategy to do that? And so I'm going to go into my office here. By the way, you see my office behind me. Here's my name on the wall. CEO, KICVentures. I think Bree's working late. She does. She's over there, CEO at KIC Creative. That's our creative company. Now, how do you get the desire to succeed day in, day out? How do you do that? Well, I think I can help you with that. I have these 7 M's of getting your desire. If you follow even one of these M's, you're going to have a reason to get up every day and try and succeed. And that's what it's all about. Can you have that drive and sustain it? A lot of people can. By the way, here's my desk right here. Being a CEO, you get to have a nice desk. You know, but I'm sitting in my office with my table that I have my meetings at. On the wall over there, there are a few of my books. So how do you get this desire every day? First M, menu. Successful people realize that life is a menu and you have limited time. So if you want to have a yacht, you want to have a private plane, you want to travel the world, you want to eat the best restaurant, you want to have financial freedom so you can do all that. And so you need the desire to actually experience the menu of life. Be at the buffet line. Don't just be in the corner eating water and crackers. So life is a menu of experiences. Remember that. If you want to have a menu of experiences, you got to find a way to get up every day. Not every experience requires you to have a lot of money or spend money on it. But you want to get up every day ready to attack the world. Try to figure out what experiences do I want to have and how I'm going to be able to find the time, make the time, afford it to have those experiences. So life is a menu. Second M. Can you leave a legacy? Do you want to be remembered? So be memorable, right? How you treat people, how you mentor people, how you have experiences people. Do they want to remember you? Do you want to leave a legacy? So if you want to be memorable, a lot of people have to then work on things that's going to make people remember them. And they're driven by that. They have the desire to be memorable. Albert Einstein, you know, amazing genius. He's left a lot behind. He'll never be forgotten. Thomas Edison came up with a light bulb. Memorable. Legacy. The third M is, do you want to make money? Do you value money? Because if you value money, then set a target. Every year, I want to earn this much. And then manage that, monitor that. You're going to need desire to do that. You can't say to myself, I want to make $1 million, and then just sit around. So you set those targets to how much money you want to make. Do you want to have financial freedom? It may not just be a number, but you want to have financial freedom so you can have the money to be able to afford the lifestyle. You have to then work at that. You need the desire for that. Now, number 4, similar to money, but there's some people who want to enjoy material things, right? They want to have a beautiful car, a beautiful house. They want to have beautiful clothes and material things. Doesn't mean you're materialistic. You just want to have those things because they make you happy. Well, you have to go out there and go work at figuring out how you're going to get those, right? How are you going to travel the world to enjoy some of the finer things in life that are material things that you want to partake of? So the other M, number 5, is, do you want to master things? Do you want to do things so well that you consider a master of it? If you want to master things, you have to work at it. You have to get up every day, go work at this. How are you going to do it so well that it's better than anyone else? Mastery comes from the desire to want to do something almost to perfection, if that's achievable. The next M, which is number 6, is build momentum. People want to just feel like they're building a momentum. They want to make progress. So if you want to make progress and build a momentum, you just won't get up every day and just go about life normally. You're saying, today I want to make progress. I want to feel like I'm progressing. I'm building momentum. So if you want momentum in your life, you're going to end up having to get up and go have the drive for that. The last one is movement. If you want to be part of a movement, you can't sit around. Otherwise, the movement is going to move past you. There are people today who still don't use the internet, who still don't use a cell phone, who still don't have a computer. So they're just behind. They're not part of the movement of digital technology. There are also people out there who want to start a movement. If you want to start a movement, we wanted to start a movement. We started Prove Yourself Institute. We want people to be mentored. We want people to rise up, build themselves up. So we are building this momentum of share your success with us at Prove Yourself Institute. So we have to be out there generating content, working with people, being life coach, succeeding and talking about all that, working on our health, working on fitness. So let me just repeat them. 1, menu. Life is a menu of experiences, stand at the buffet line. You want to be memorable to people, treat people well, do things that are going to be memorable, leave a legacy. 3, you want money. Money is important to do a lot of things in life. You have to go and work for it. You want to participate in material things. You like fast cars. You like beautiful clothes. You like beautiful homes. You want to achieve those. You have to work at it, right? You want to achieve mastery of something. Dedicated time to do it. So you can't just sleep around every day. You can't just go about life easy. You have to be motivated. You have to be up every day thinking about how you're going to get better, studying to be better at that. You want to feel the sense of momentum, sense of progress every day, then you're going to get up every day and measure that. Am I better today than yesterday? So you're always looking to energize yourself to be better. And being part of a movement or starting a movement yourself. So any of these 7, remember them, write them down, and pick the ones that you feel that you want to focus on and stay focused on it, and you'll find that you have a lot of energy, a lot of desire. You want to accomplish what that M is, then you're going to work on it. So good luck on that, and sign up, subscribe, and Prove Yourself Institute. Share your ideas, share your progress, and then pass it on to other people.